Hi, I'm Iggy with Lincoln Electric, and today I'm proud to announce the newly updated Torchmate CNC plasma cutting curriculum. This curriculum is Lincoln Electric's innovative educational program for schools and instructors to teach their students everything they need to know to operate a Torchmate CNC plasma cutting table. The Torchmate curriculum covers everything from the history of CNC cutting technology to how to program jobs using your Torchmate CAD and run them on one of our tables. The curriculum is a complete course that comes with end-of-chapter reviews and tests that the instructors can assign to their students. It also includes designated projects the students can create and cut out in class. This educational course was created by a team of professional welding and fabricating educators and features 11 comprehensive chapters that will prepare all of your students for basic CAD and CNC table operations. Lincoln Electric is the single source provider for both the CNC cutting table and the corresponding curriculum, meaning everything that's covered in the course will apply directly to your Torchmate table. The Torchmate curriculum can be paired with the complete student-teacher workbook that goes along with the main course workbook. This workbook features all of the end-of-chapter reviews and quizzes, as well as the corresponding answer key, so instructors can make sure their students are learning the material correctly. The Torchmate CAD EDU software also comes with unlimited student licenses with no need to renew them every year. This is ideal for the classroom environment, as every classroom computer will be able to have a copy of the Torchmate CAD, allowing all students to practice designing and programming jobs to cut out on the table. The Torchmate curriculum is a great way to teach your students all they need to know about basic CAD and CNC table operations. Give us a call at 866-571-1066. or go to torchmatestore.com to get the Torchmate curriculum added to your classes.